This is just a short example to show you how it works. So we have a lot of messy sound files here. Let's clean it up. I'm going into the main folder where the program was unzipped. Then I double-click on the install and run command file on my Mac. It's the same file for both installation and execution, so it's easy. The program is running and renaming the files I put in the rename folder. It even provides probabilities for similar sounding names, so you can tweak them further yourself using that information, or let Claude or another AI refine them even more. However, it's really good straight away. As you can see, the names of the sound files now make a lot more sense. This is just a quick start guide that you can pause and explore if you are interested in seeing how easy it is to use. SoundTag AI
Listens and renames your sound files.